A perfect pet door means freedom both for you and your pets, and they're so easy to install. All you need are a few basic tools and a little guidance, and in just a matter of minutes, your pet will be able to come in and go out whenever you want them to. So let's get started. To begin, you'll need the following tools. As with any home improvement project, if you do not have the tools or the skills to properly install your pet door, we suggest using a professional handy person or licensed contractor. First, start by measuring your pet's shoulder height using a tape measure. The top of the pet door should be set no lower than this measurement. In fact, we recommend adding 2 inches to this measurement as the correct height for the top of the pet door template. Now, using a pencil and measuring tape, mark a point near the center of the door the same height from the floor as your pet's shoulder, plus 2 inches. The pet door must be at least 4 inches from the bottom of the door. We don't recommend cutting below that, so you may have to set the door higher if necessary. Now use the tape measure to mark the center point of the door, at the same level as the first mark. Redraw the line at the top edge with a pencil using a level straight edge. Make sure the line is level and straight. Now find the papered template. Find the top center point and mark it with the pencil. Now place the template on top of the line you made before. Match up the center line on the template to the center line on the door. Then tape the template securely in place. We recommend using masking tape, as other types of tape will not stick well or are too messy. Tape the corners most so they will not shift when drilled out. Now begin marking the outside corner holes. Then, use the pencil to mark the inside of the template, as shown here. When finished, remove the tape and the template. At this point in the installation, we recommend using safety glasses to protect your eyes from any debris. You will now need to drill both the outside holes and the starter holes for the inside cutout. Here we begin by drilling the outside corner. And then drilling the starter hole on this corner. Now go ahead and repeat this for all the areas that need to be drilled, making sure the inside holes are just inside the lines as shown. Now take the jigsaw and place it into one of the inside starter holes. Do not place the saw into the outside hole. Begin sawing along the line toward the opposite starter hole. At no time should you allow your hands to come into contact with a moving cutting tool, so keep clear of the blade while it is moving. Be sure to only saw to the inside hole on the opposite side and then stop. And then repeat this for each of the 4 sides. Remove the material that has been cut out and discard. The outside or exterior frame is the one that has the vinyl weather seal. Use this frame for the outside of the house. The inside or interior frame has the 4 corner screw holes. Use this frame on the inside. First, place the interior frame into the opening. Then lift the flap and feed the other frame through to the outside. Holding on to both frames, mate them together so they fit flush to the inside and outside of the door panel. Once the frames are together, hand fit the screws in all 4 corners. For this installation, you'll need an extension to the Phillips head screw bit. Screw all 4 corners into the opposite frame. As long as the door is flush and secure, there is no need to over-tighten the screws. Check the flaps to make sure they're swinging freely. And then test to see that the lockout slide fits correctly. This slide should be in place whenever you want to prevent the use of the door by children, or to keep pets out or in. Finally, clean the area around the hole using water or kitchen surface cleaner and a paper towel. And the door is ready to use.